Well, hello there, friends. Summer is here. It's hot out there. Cool food is in order. Oh, yes. And I'm going to make you my favorite pasta salad. You know, when I think of pasta salad, I think of a pasta dish. How do we make a beautiful pasta dish? But I want to make it cold. That's what I did. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite three. At the end of the show, I'll tell you which one is my favorite one. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned, friends. I'm going to show you how to make three amazing, phenomenal, delicious pasta salad. Okay, friends. Well, we're going to start with the easiest one. Orecchiette with the pesto-based sauce. Really simple. Make it with that whatever pasta you want, of course. I like the orecchiette because it means the little ears. You can put a bunch of stuff in it. You know, this is great for bolognese, great for all kind of stuff. So make it with whatever pasta you want. Penne, ziti, whatever. They're all wonderful. All right. So look, guys. We got Parmigiano Reggiano. We're going to process it just a little bit, the Parmigiano Reggiano. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I do it with a food processor, do it in a mushroom blender, whatever you want. And then we're going to put the ingredient in. We know very well, the ingredient works very well for a pesto-based things. And Jack, you know what? I forgot the almonds. Oh, well, magically they appear. So, friends, you can put pine nuts. I got them. I'm going to put the pine nuts in the salad. You see the price of pine nuts these days? You got to take a second mortgage on the house to buy some pine nuts these days. So I keep them for the salad instead of grind them up. And you know what I love to do? Put almonds in the pesto, okay? Little almonds and then a little garlic in there. And little, right? You want just a little garlic here. A couple of tablespoons of garlic. And then what else we're gonna put in here? Oh, we're gonna put the basil leaf, friends. Basil leaf. If you have a choice, you want to put small basil leaves. That's about a couple of cups of basil leaf right there, right? And the pine nuts, we're gonna put them later, and we're gonna process this with some beautiful olive oil. I'm using a garlic olive oil. Use whatever olive oil you want. And now you can already buy, friends, the pesto already made. Yeah. Well, buy a pesto already made, and then you don't need to go through this. Up to you. This is really easy, yeah? I mean, I like to make it, of course, because I got all the equipment and everything, but you don't have time to make it. Just buy a pesto made already. There's some good one out there. We're going to process it. It's easier if you make it yourself, okay? But if you don't have the time or the inclination, that's a fancy word for me anyway. A little olive oil there, friends. All right, look. Piece of cake. Look at this. Beautiful pesto, okay? This is going to be the base for our dressing. All right? Now, the pasta, friends, I cook them al dente, but not too al dente. And I don't rinse them, okay? Oh, mamma mia. Don't ever rinse them. If you rinse a pasta, you wash out all the starch. You need that starch. That starch, first of all, it's got a great texture. We love the texture of it. But second of all, friends, it'll help us thicken whatever it is we put on here. So it's really important. It's part of the texture. So don't ever rinse it, okay, my friends? Don't ever rinse the pasta. I don't care if it's cold. You cook them when they come out of the water. All you got to do is just put a little bit of olive oil on it and shake them. Put a little bit of olive oil and that's it. Put a lot of water in your pasta. I didn't want to waste your time showing you how to cook pasta. Everybody knows how to cook pasta. All right, friends? So there you go. Depends the pasta. 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Depends the pasta. Depends the manufacturers. There's a lot of great brands out there. I love the Checo. The Checo pasta, I think, is fantastic. It's one of the best pasta there is out there. But there's a lot of good one also. There's a lot of great pasta. Look, I'll leave a little bit in there in case I want to put it a bit at the end. We're going to put the pine nuts. Now, we got where our money's worth right there. We don't grind them up. Cherry tomatoes. Cut cherry tomatoes. All right, now, cheese, friends. You can put goat cheese. You can put feta cheese. You can put little mozzarella balls. Have you ever had those? Those are really cool. Mozzarella balls. Put them right in there. Look, a little feta cheese. You buy crumble. Can't buy goat cheese crumble, right? You can't do that. All right? Look how simple that is, friends. You could also add some black olives to this. Up to you, my friends. I like it with black olive, but I'm going to put black olive in the other one also. Another thing you want to do, you want to bring a little fresh, my friends, a little freshness. So you know what I do? I take a little bit of the lemon zest, and you know, every time I use that, because we have, remember, every day we have 1,500, 2,000 new subscribers, and they don't know how to use the tool. So for those of you that have heard me 100 times say how to do it, remember, the tool on top of the lemon, not the lemon on top of the tool, okay? All right, don't do this, otherwise you can't see where you're going. All right, right there, we're going to put a touch of lemon juice to wake up everything. Right, touch of lemon juice, and then we're going to put a touch of an aged balsamic vinegar. Okay, this is my Black Mission Fig balsamic vinegar, friends. Just a little bit, you don't want to put too much. And right there, this is going to be beautiful. And right there, my friend, this is salad number one. You want to add a little goat cheese? Don't be afraid. You take a fork. You see? You take a fork and you crumble it like this. Except this one is not crumbling very good because it's probably not cold enough. Whenever I set up to do the show, we turn on all the lights, so the studio is a little warm in here, and so the cheese got warmed. But this is it. This is our salad number one. This is delicious. One thing we need, friends. One thing we need is some beautiful, freshly cracked black pepper. Let's add a little bit more salt. I know the pasta was salty already, but let's put that in. And right there, we got salad number one with a pesto and a tomato and a mozzarella and the feta cheese. Pasta salad number one. Really simple to make. All right? We're going to set up, we're going to clean up, and we're going to go to number two. You know, I decided I'm going to put some olives. Just a little bit of olives. Jack doesn't like it. Yeah, he's not going to eat any of it. I eat it all. Right? And you know what I forgot to do, friends? I forgot to check it. So I'm going to check it to make sure it's perfect, because that's part of the deal. Huh? Oh, yeah. Almost salt. We're done. All right, we're going to get ready for number two. Okay, second one. You know, when I think of a pasta salad, I think of a pasta dish. And I designed my salad based on a pasta dish. You know, it's a pasta dish, right? It's cold, it's still a pasta dish, right? So, how about Puttanesca? You had a Puttanesca, right? Puttanesca. Think about tomato. We love tomato salsa. We love a tomato base cold. So we're going to put it in there. We're going to make a Puttanesca deal, if you will. All right? So Puttanesca is it's got anchovy. I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, I don't like anchovy. Don't worry. Do you like Caesar salad? You never know there's anchovy, right? Hey, you see, they're just a flavor enhancer. You won't even know they're in there. No, don't like it, just don't put them in. That's all. It's very simple. A little bit of garlic, not too much garlic, okay? Right there. Very simple. Believe it or not, capers. I love capers. Capers are great. We use them all the time. They're salty. Put a little bit of parsley in there. Then we're going to put some beautiful roasted garlic olive oil. That's my most popular olive oil. I love it. I think it's fabulous. Otherwise, I wouldn't be using it, right? Oh, I'm going to put a little bit of the tomato sauce. I got a marinara sauce. You want to make your own marinara sauce? You go ahead. Otherwise, just buy a good marinara sauce that you like. If you don't like, if you have time, you can make my marinara sauce. Jack is going to give you a nice link. It's a fabulous sauce, friends. You should try it. You know, maybe not today, because you're in a hurry. You're going to make a tomato sauce. You're going to make a... But I'm telling you, friend. See, look. See, we have a little emulsified vinaigrettes. Really simple, eh? No big deal. Put a little salt in there. Not too much salt because, you know, the caper, and then I'm going to put some olives, and the anchovy, they got a lot of salt, so we don't put a lot of salt, okay? All right? Now, here we have it, friends. Very simple, very simple. You see, look, I don't complicate things. Complicated things, there's enough complication in our life, my friends. We don't need to complicate things, right? So we put a little bit of the dressing right there. See, very simple. All right? And then we're going to put the tomatoes. Now, on the tomatoes, friends, like I said, I got the tomato, I got the tomato sauce, and I also got sun-dried tomatoes. And you can buy those in oil already, or if they're not in oil because you want to make them yourself, you buy good sun-dried tomato and you rehydrate them, look, in beautiful olive oil, okay? Now you got to cut them in little pieces. Never happen to you go to a restaurant, you got a big piece of sun-dried tomato and you're chewing and you can't get through it because it's a big piece. It's very difficult to chew through it. So, a little tomato sauce. Put as much or as little as you want. You know, who is measuring here? Yeah? A little bit of a chopped parsley. Okay, and look at this. Let me tell you, friends, this is going to become one of your favorite pasta salad. And how simple was that? Think of a puttanesca. You ever had a nice puttanesca, right? And it's delicious. You could even put some Parmigiano Reggiano on it. I don't think there'd be anything wrong with that. At the last minute, you put a bit of Reggiano, and boy, you got yourself an amazing little salad. And you know, Jack loves them. I put a little bit of extra olives just for him. Okay. And they're delicious. Look, friends. Is that gorgeous? Let me tell you, this is going to become what? You put a pepper yet? No, here we go. Pepper. Plus, I got some freshly cracked right there. Here you go, my friends. All right? Pasta salad number 2. I promise you, this is going to be one of your favorite pasta salad also. I'm anxious to hear in a few months when you write the comment which one you like the most. All right, friends? We're going to clean up, and we're going to go to number 3. I forgot something again. I know what it's going to taste like it, but I'm going to test that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. We'll get ready for number 3. Okay, friends. Third one. Little spirale pasta rotini. Any pasta you want, friends, really at the end of the day. I like the twist pasta because the dressing gets caught in it, makes it interesting. If you can find different colors of it, those are fantastic. Can't find different colors, just do it all one color. Don't worry about it. We're going to make a little dressing, my friends. All right, a little Dijon mustard. We're going to put a whole egg. There you go. Boom. We're going to put a little bit of a sour cream. Just a little sour cream in there. Have fun. Put more, put a little. Don't worry. Don't be measuring. Okay? Remember, I always say we're not sending a man in the moon, we're making a little dressing. No problemo. Spoon. I should have got the spoon, do you think? Then it would have been, avoid me dancing on the set. A little bit of garlic right there. Right? Little salt. Little pepper. And we're going to put some beautiful olive oil. And now we are going to make the emotion, eh? Yeah, stay you over here. When you see a chef on YouTube talking to his machine, you worry. A little bit of olive oil. I use garlic olive oil for all of my salad because I love it. Look, a beautiful emotion. See? Beautiful emotion, eh? Beautiful emotion. Very simple, eh? And I think that should be enough for a salad, eh? Maybe just a little bit more oil. All right? And then let's put all the ingredients in there, friends. All right? Here we go. Let me take it out of the way. And let me bring the pasta over. Everything nice and cold. There you go. So we're not too messy, eh? The dressing. So it's a little creamy, but not a heavy mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Little green. Red peppercorn. Salami di Genoa, cut in little pieces. It's gonna be nice. You don't like salami? Don't put it in. Black olive for Jack. He likes them. Little cherry tomato. He's going right now. And you put a red onion, or you can put shallots. Shallots are more delicate. Put whatever makes you happy. How's that? Right? And then at the last minute, I'm going to put a feta cheese in there, friends. Feta cheese. What do you think? I think feta cheese is going to be fantastic. Oh, and you know what we're going to put also in a minute? We're going to put in, and not forget to put it in, is a touch of lemon juice. Why am I putting lemon juice? Wakes up every the ingredient. Little acid is always good, friends. All right? Very simple. Black pepper, a little more, and then we're going to put the feta cheese. And this, my friends, needs a little more dressing. I can understand. All right? Put it in. Very simple. All we got to do is make sure it's nice and cold, and it's pretty, and with the cheese, it's going to be beautiful. And if you have some chopped basil, you can have some chopped basil. You can have a little chopped parsley in there, friends. It'll be perfect too. All right, look. Your feta cheese. Add some chopped parsley in there. I forgot to put it in, but put some chopped parsley in there, my friends. All right, and you have yourself another beautiful pasta salad. All right? I can't wait to hear which one you like the most. All right, my friends. Here we have it. Yeah, you're right. I forgot something again. I had it right here the whole time. I tell you. This is a cubanella pepper. Just put a bell pepper that is not too spicy and it's kind of interesting in flavor, if you can find them. So you know what I like to do with this? Cut them in half. I already got rid of the seeds. And then what we're going to do, we're going to cut them in half like this again. And then we'll put them on top. And then we're going to cut little strips and they go perfect for the pasta. You see? It's not very spicy, friends. It's not spicy at all. Put a little spicy pepper if you want. You see, it's missing it. Right here. Wonder why, if I'm ever going to do a video, wonder why I don't forget nothing. Wonder what happened. You forget, so here you go. Put it the whole thing. Or you just put a half of it right there. And then, my friends, this is it right there. I'm going to test it because I didn't do that either. How many things I forget today? Eh? About 2 or 3? Oh, yeah. I love it. Oh, yeah. The black olive especially. Fantastic. I'm dying to hear which one is your favorite one. All right, friends. Well, here they are. One more delicious than the next. I love them. And it's so delicious. So which one do you think I like the most? Yes. The Puttanesca sauce. Penne Puttanesca. Puttanesca salad. You never heard of this before. I know. I never heard of it either. I created it. Probably somebody else did before. Friends, remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. And in the comment, let me know if you forgot anything like I did. Thanks for watching, friends. We love cooking for you.